These are the list of parts that I will be identifying. So let's begin. The frontal bone, the parietal bone, the temporal bone, the occipital bone, the coronal suture, the sagittal suture, the squamous suture, and the lambdoid suture. Right there. And then the nasal bone, maxilla bone, the mandible bone, the mental foramen, the mandibular ramus, the mandibular notch, right there, the mandibular condyle, the the coronoid process of the mandible, the zygomatic bone, the sphenoid bone, right there in between the vomer, the ethmoid bone, the lacrimal bone, the nasal lacrimal bone, the supraorbital foramen, the infraorbital foramen, the superior orbital fissure, inferior orbital fissure, the vomer bone, the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone, the middle and inferior conch, the external auditory meatus, the glabella, the greater and lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, right there, the optic canal, which is right there, the foramen rotundum, which is there, the foramen ovale, foramen lacerum, the foramen spinosum, the carotid canal, which is right there, the jugular foramen, which can be found back there, the palatine bone, which is right here, the incisive fossa, which is on the jaw, or the bottom of the mandible, the greater palatine foramen, which is in here, the foramen magnum, which is right here, the mastoid process, styloid process, stylomastoid foramen, the crista galli, the cribriform plate, it's right there, the sella trucica, right there where my fingernail is running between, and the internal auditory meatus, which is right there.